Welcome to this VRpatients video. In this video, we will explore the saving and validation functions of the Scenario Builder. The VRpatients platform begins saving information as soon as a scenario name has been entered. Additions and changes are saved in near real time. Always allow a few second pause after making changes before closing or exiting a scenario. Saving changes may be affected by internet connectivity issues. The VRpatients platform has a validation system that runs continuously. The validation system will issue tips and/or errors depending on the severity of the issue. Tips, visualized by an orange warning message, alert the scenario author to a potential issue. Warnings appear to point the scenario author to areas they may want to address. Click on the warning message to receive information about the warning and the options to deal with the warning. Select Go To will take the scenario author to the area of the scenario builder or scenario logic where the warning is generated from. The scenario author may dismiss the warning if they choose not to make changes to the scenario. Tips do not prevent saving, nor do they prevent a scenario from running. Errors, visualized by a red error message, alert the scenario author to an issue that must be corrected. Click on the error message to receive information about the error. Selecting Go To will take the scenario author to the area of the scenario builder or scenario logic where the error is being generated from. The platform will not save while a scenario contains an error. When you see the red error message, it is always best to address the issue immediately. When the error is resolved, the message will disappear and the platform will return to saving. By selecting the Validate button, the platform will run through an internal inspection of the scenario and reveal any undisclosed warnings the scenario author may choose to address. Thank you for watching this VRpatients video.